Zimraba. Hi. What's the business?
Hey, can I go papa voice sign?
Asai. Hey, yama.
Ajina shibelani.
When
Listeners, you missed out.
Oh, I tell you now, go for beats now. I tell you, guys, if you haven't tuned on to Conquer Radio, like just tell your friends out there, guys. Conquer Radio is the best station ever, the best online radio ever. Nana bama choir la shishi. Agba nirna woshila ba nirsimle ngena ngatini. Mama mzimbe. Rafa banishila. Rafa. Bona na bo LSG bo ke ikame ima gangster. Akabashu ngwana yena. Hey, atabuya. But anyway, Pinsimachi,
today's topic, Papa Nick, it was about what we were actually saying before the end break. We were actually talking about, is hip hop a good influence? Since you're an experienced person, especially in this music industry, is hip hop
good influence when it comes to
young people?
Maybe the age of under the age of 13.
A genre at its own is not a problem. Hip hop.
Okay.
The problem is the artists who are singing hip hop, because they do things that when kids or a youth copy them, it doesn't go along with their norms and values. They go out of way. But hip hop is that sound, is that beat. But when they put the lyrics, it's either they use vulgar language, and as I've said, it's you which choose which one to follow. So if 50 Cent use a word that when they talk about it, they feel he's making money out of that, even the young one, when it goes on, they will think that is the way to do it. Do you understand? Then it becomes now conditional, but you cannot listen to this track while you're with your parents. And once we have got a song that it is conditional or it is restricting people to listen to it, you must know, no. You do it for you and your selfishness, but it's not for the people.
But since faking, like I think all the listeners have heard it. Also, your guys, my colleagues, go how confident he was, like about his music and how he is the best. Understand? Like there's no any other artist who can be confident like what he did today. Because some artists be like, yeah, quite a lot of shy, and then like that artist he was showing himself. No, I know my job. My job is unique. I know what I'm doing, and I'm the best. Understand? So my question is, what makes music different? Kabo, Benny Mayengani, Thomas Chauke, like you name them.
Who different because it's not for them. It's for Bote Hassan. Now I want to best catching you watching you. Do you understand? So one minute now. And the best part, me don't get a competition na bini. Benanga school to go enter this. Ukuma biti into with after imbele. Do you understand? He cannot make a beat himself. So do you understand? So listen to what I'm saying. In the reality, artist in one, aka kona yon is the best. Come yon and tell you if I go under someone who I cannot, so I don't take that. Nobody beats me. Me, I am the best. Do you understand?
Wow.
So I don't sing it for me. I sing it when I don't like now. For the first time you hear it, you like it, even if it's not in your language. Do you understand? It's because when I explain, it has got a message. The most important part of music is to preach to the people, like you standing in a church pulpit, you're talking to the people that has come, the congregation, to have a ways of wisdom, peace in their mind. They get healed. Because or by a consultative psychologist, because you speak to them from far. Do you understand? This is not let me forgive my husband, because we talk about family life, youth life, business life, spiritual life, do you understand? So it's what you must talk about, do you understand? So that people can know, no, you are called in this line to do this, then they will support you. That's why I say it is not about how much do I make, it's how many people do I make happy when they look to this music. Money will come. Because you must know, people, they don't know me. Some, they never heard about me. But now, they knowing me on air, that there's a stronger artist, love, appropriate learn, do you understand? Now they will ask you, where's that CD? Do you understand?
And I mean, up to my surprise, but once I'm talking I know this gentleman. Then you have to know, man. I know this gentleman. So I didn't know, because up to myself also, I was so surprised. Suddenly he does music, but he will tell a story. So like up 2008, it means Kale Vele, but it's English. Because why I've asked this question, what makes it different? I'm one person. I mean, I don't only listen to YFM, but there was this time where there was Benny Maingani. He was beefing the beef that I was talking about, hip hop artists have beef. Apparently, even strong artists, not beef now. Like, I'm better than this one. I'm better than that one. So, and beefs are caused by fans majority. Like most of the competition, like, is caused by fans. Why? Ba Asani Mundwa Ben Mangan or Ba Asani Thomas Chaugen when I'm on, understand? Then it becomes a conflict between your guys, understand?
They use me, and they are my fans. It's me who has to call them in on. Like I'm saying that Thomas Chaugen is the best, and he's a legend. We all like this thing because of him. Do you understand? So he's not our competitor. We're not competing with him. He has won the battle before. Do you understand? So what we're doing is like we're following him. Or there's no song that a Tonga can sing that Thomas Chauke has never sang before. You can change the lyrics, you can change the beat, but you can sing about donkeys, yes, song about houses, poverty, wealth, yes, that, do you understand? So, whatever we do, do you understand? We're not competing with him. I cannot compete with Ben because he has it there before me, do you understand? So, what is the competition? I'm not doing this for competition. I'm taking out my talent, my gift, so that someone can also follow me. Someone can learn from me. It's not about competing. So, if I pick up that someone is writing on social media that Hassani is better than it's me who has to call the person. No, we're not in a competition. If you follow me, just say no, I love Bote Hassan Mohan for this. Leave others because they've got their own people that are following. You understand? It's like churches. If you go to this church, it doesn't mean that one is not the best. That one is best because it's where you're going. And for those who are going this side, it's best. So don't judge.
Mativa, I was going through my Facebook previous week. You know, guys, and just admit, like people do love talkers. Because every time you always throw shit on us, it shows that you love us. We like we're so unique. This other guy said I was listening to Tonga music while cleaning this morning. I end up lifting the fridge alone.
You know why? Because it gives you energy. It gives you power. You feel, like alive.
I respect energetic music. Hey. So, can I ask something? Now, maybe I've experienced it. Bad music come out song, hey. And I was speaking at the school because they want to speak at the yes.
You know why when I was speaking? It's because whatever how many instruments that has been mixed here, it needs a listening ear. It means that you must know a note. It's not like there's a lot of whistling and everything. So it needs a good ear and mastering so that it becomes, and we make it loud. Because Matonga, we don't listen to the music and dance. That sound must be provocative to your spirit. You must feel that as I do, I stand up Because it is not my tradition to listen like what they do in Joburg. They go and hire 20,000 music just to sit and think well the whole night. As we don't do. When the track kicks, we take it on. That's how we accept. That's how we were known. Do you understand? And it has been proven. Shoma Jones has gone overseas and do it.
Yeah.
She did it in FNB. So if you still listen to people, they say Mtsonga, you are this. It's your own case. It's not us. It's you. It's not your of yourself. It's not them. Do you understand? So they just talk. That's why everything they give us is because they know that we're good in creating Machangana back to have Machangana for. It's because they know we are good people. They have nothing. It's all about us.
Natural image.
We have, this is in us. You cannot take it. You can say whatever you say is here. If you play the beat, I will stand up. And you will follow. Even if you don't understand what the lyrics.
Guys,
You must know, Tonga beat is universal. And it is the only beat or attire Matonga that is known worldwide. If you go to them, this is from South Africa.
color blocking it in
You play this, now they take it and make it theirs. It's ours.
color blocking it in
They know. Do you understand? They used by Guara, hey, this and that, but now they're doing it. So we lead always. It's a known fact.
Oh, Tom. Oh, guys, like checking out the time. It is 6 minutes after the hour of 5 o'clock. It's about the Black AG. Going to
Your girl PC Match.
Like-
Coco Radio.
logo, guys, I'm kind of listening to Kushman and Shko Queen. So, I am not bad, son, studio. She's saying, I don't know, if I release. Nena isalenda swa nena ifika yafamba because nena come in car right na so afika nena isisa toka famba makaya but if I may ask any just marumbo to see like okay any like last words to upcoming artists out there because I feel like I myself I won't speak for everyone in the in the house right now and my listeners. I've learned a lot from that short space of time what we spoke about with you. I've learned a lot. Especially the building your brand type of thing, like that was the most important thing that you've highlighted and like that you've bring it up because people they don't care about bringing like that brand anymore. It's all about fame. If I get famous and having being famous when I have money and drive that fancy cars and what that fancy label, I'm done. But what about your brand? How long will your brand last? So like that's one of the things that I've learned, and that's one of the things that brought a lot of question to myself too. You're the Black AG. Where's the Black AG going? How long will it last? What will we be doing? What impact will it bring within the media industry? So thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And I know it's not the first time that coming here. You're still gonna come. I mean, it's like it's not the last time, but it's still gonna come here studio. So any last words to all our listeners and upcoming artists out there?
Okay. Akala wa taku wa sungula makata music ba na vela. Eko ba fane ba tinyika nkala. Wale swa savanda. Wanga chabisiwe munhu mwana va swi tiva ku it is in them, they must take it out so that we can hear it and see them. Aka ba yingiseri hinkwavo va speechless Conco Radio. Lava va nga ku yingiseleni sweswi va fanele va swi tiva ku na va rhandza CD leyi yi kona hambileswi xitichi lexi xi nga na viciva xi nga ri ku tlangeni ka tirhekodo ta mine vo ngo tlanga yin'we ntsena tere 12 a mi le ku tlangeni.
So loko va ti lava va nga ti kuma kwihi?
A ta kona.
Oh, okay.
So the listeners, where can they get in contact with you?
I'm everywhere. I've got my cell phone numbers on the CD 0711089 784. They can get me on Facebook, DJ Half Music Promotion, Botia San Mohani. What else? They can Twitter me at DJ Half. They can go on my website where they can get all my beats and sound. www.djhalf.co.za is there, and hi kona kwala Glenridge, studio kwala Glenridge, everything swi endlela kwala Glenridge. Lava va twaka ingaku va lava ku ta hi zama kumbe va lava hi va pfuna, we welcome them, mara va fanele va swi tiva ku is business. It's not a charity. So leswiya swo loko va ta va fana va fika va ku hayi mina ni fikile ni lava track. We used to do it. You know what we used to do it? Vafana loko va ta va lava track, do you understand? Wa yi endla track. Loko va uza va nyika ku va yingisela. A va ha ku studio because va faka ti headphone va yingisela va famba va gangisa vanhwanyana yona ku hayi. You see, I've got a track. A va ha lavi swona vona, you understand? So we said now it's business for us. We cannot waste time. Hi munhu a tela ku huwa. Se loko u ta u fanele u tiva ku u ti business ni ta vulavula hi mali. You understand? So that's why we check your attitude and everything. We can help you, invest in you, because we know at the end our time will be paid. Do you understand? Singing, you must drop money. So that is what I can say, Naku. I thank you, this Comcom station.
Comcom. New name, guys, Comcom. New name, right?
Comcom.
I think for the hashtag Comcom will do.
So, namuna mkhensa kuba mengalanga nge check status xa mina kumbe mi lava ku ta tiva ngopfu mina kuba mi vitana la. Ni tini kana swi tiva ku it's a new radio station. Ni swi tiva kusukela loko xa pulaniwa ku xi ta va kona. That's why loko ni ta laha ni swi tiva ku ni fanele ni ta, and I came just to show you that if you believe, you will get what you want. So Nitili, I was supposed to be in Tembisa at Clayfield. For the mind that you thought about me is honoring. You understand? And now I've got a chance to speak to the people, community of Clare. You understand?
The whole South Africa
are listening to know, and the whole South Africa who have tuned in. I don't know how, but now they do. So for that, I thank you, and I hope even yourself you will keep intact. You will not allow people that will come and try to kill these ideas, because they are there, they're waiting to come and tell, no, you were not supposed to wear with this one, you were, and be careful of that demonic word. The rest of all, you must go to church. Doesn't matter which church, you must be prayerful. You must believe in God that this is going to be one of the biggest stations in this country and this world. Because, you know, if you do it right, Protea Glen is big. If you manage to control your community, you must know you will go far. Simple like that. It's an area that now is growing, meaning that you have got a lot of listeners to come. You understand? So it's for you to do marketing, to be disciplined, as I've said before, and believe that with God, anything is possible.
You can't tell me. I'm saying it's a room of China at the Bamako, the Dutch quarter, looking at any Victoria, the Bamako, Begin already bought.
Andre.
Take it away, guys. The Kentamofu Kaba Side Guamatala Studio. Never interview, and thank you for the wise words that you've given us. They're so wise. Okay, sure. wo xi na xibelani ta vuya ku xi la ba xibelani namuntlha vadyuhari sesi lowo tshuka lo nga tshama khale ka xava xibelani jehova lesi kume xa xibelani swona
xibelani xi xa famba hi
ya
xi lava xi fambisa xibelani hi voni loko
swi pfumela ku ni vona vo thabo na ti-fly n'wingi wena welesiyiva utambe wo nghenisa botini hi boti banini hi tlangane stapa guys it's about the black agent pisimesh ekuyibalisa muratelela ra basa ra exibetapa mina teka ajira to kaya ra vuna
ya eka boti
hala fikani va nyika fikani va nyika guys take it away
Check man.
nyawo be ayikho itsaliwe
Yeah, it goes number man.